Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on anonymous web surfing. Usage in Kali Linux. The tool that allows you to redirect your network traffic through a chain of proxy servers, which helps to protect your identity and bypass various network restrictions.
Hi, this is Shrikant. You are watching Blue Shield.
Okay, let's dive into the video. First, open the terminal. Install ProxyChains by the command sudo apt-get install ProxyChains. Now that we have ProxyChains installed, we need to configure it to use a chain of proxy servers. The configuration file for ProxyChains is located at etc proxychains.config. Open this file with a text editor, or run this command. Here you can see many proxy chains: strict chain, dynamic chain, random chain. In this video we are using dynamic chain, because the dynamic chain in ProxyChains is a configuration option that allows you to define a sequence of proxy servers through which your network traffic will be routed. This feature enables you to leverage multiple proxy servers to enhance your anonymity and bypass network restrictions. The dynamic chain in ProxyChains allows you to configure a chain of proxy servers, providing an additional layer of anonymity and security by routing your network traffic through multiple intermediaries. By using the dynamic chain in ProxyChains, you can effectively bypass network restrictions and access blocked content, as your traffic appears to originate from various proxy servers rather than your actual IP address. In the dynamic chain section of the file, uncomment the line before dynamic chain that says SOX4 to enable the Tor proxy, and comment the all proxy chains, because we are using only dynamic proxy server. You can also add other proxy servers by adding lines in the same format. For example, if you have a SOX5 proxy server at a 192.168.1.100 on port 1080, you would add the line a SOX5 192.168.1.100 port 1080 inch in this section. I am not adding custom IP address in this video. We will do it in next video. Make sure proxy DNS is uncommented.
I am adding default SOX5 proxy here.
Save this by pressing Ctrl+O, then hit enter. Exit by Ctrl+X. Now let's test.
Open terminal and run the command service Tor start. Now use the proxy chains.
For example, let's say we want to browse the website example.com using ProxyChains. Open a terminal window and type the following command. This command will open the Firefox browser and connect to example.com through the ProxyChains. Now let's check
IP address.
Type here. Test for DNS leaks. Click on first link. Here you can see it's showing. I am so far from this address. Now let's check again. Open terminal and type service to restart. Let's open the same browser. Once check again. Now showing another
IP address.
If your Tor service is not working, go to my channel. You can find the video how to fix that issue. Thanks for watching. Please like, share the video, and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.